Assalamu alaikum everyone. This video is from AMBLEM School System for Grade 5. I'm your social studies teacher. Today the topic that we are going to study is weather. Weather is the state of atmosphere in terms of precipitation, temperature, humidity, winds, and air pressure on a daily basis. Meteorologists can determine the different weather conditions by measuring them in the weather. They are measured by thermometer, rain gauge, hygrometer, wind vane, and anemometer respectively. Now we are going to study the name of the instruments that are used to measure different weather conditions. Thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane, anemometer, barometer, and hygrometer. Now we will study all these instruments one by one in detail. Thermometer. Temperature is measured with a thermometer. It tells us how hot or cold a weather is. If the air is warm, the temperature will be high. If the air is cold, the temperature will be low. Rain gauge. Rainfall is measured with a rain gauge. It is a tube that has numbers on the side of it. It tells us how much rain fell. Now, wind vane. Wind vane tells us about the wind direction. The arrow points to the direction opposite to where the wind comes from. Anemometer. Anemometer tells us about the wind speed, and wind speed is measured using an anemometer. It tells us how strong the wind is. The more strong the wind is, the faster anemometer spins. Now, barometer. Air pressure is the weight of the air pressing down on the Earth's surface. It is measured by a barometer. When we are taking weather measurements, we must know that how much air is on the top of us. Sometimes we feel that air is strong and heavy. To measure how strong the air is, we use the instrument barometer. If barometer shows lower number, means the air pressure is low. And if barometer shows high number, means the air pressure is high. So the last one is hygrometer. Hygrometer is the instrument used to measure the humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. When the weather is dry, there is a visible water in it. It is called a humidity. Humidity tells us that how much moisture is floating around us in the air. Thank you.